Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to stop Google Chrome from automatically opening links in new tabs. It is a quick and straightforward fix. First, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Once the page loads, look down at the very bottom right corner of your screen. You will see a button labeled Settings. Click on that. From the menu that appears, select Search Settings. Next, click on Other Settings. Look for the option that says Results in a new window. Go ahead and make sure this is unchecked or toggled off. Once you have done that, you can close the settings window. Your issue is now resolved. As a quick final step to ensure your browser runs smoothly, it is highly recommended to verify that Chrome is fully up to date. To do this, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser. Select Settings from the drop-down menu, then find and click on About Chrome on the left side of the screen. Chrome will automatically check for any new updates. If it finds one, let it download, and then click Relaunch to apply it. You are all set. Links will now open normally in the exact same tab. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct step-by-step tutorials.